Welcome to IoT Cloud Project presentation. The objectives of this project is to simulate a PID control system for a temperature control simulator, perform a frequency response and stability analysis on the system, publish data in MQTT, upload data in a SQL's database, and creating finally the main objective is to create an ASP.NET application to view the data and deploy it in Microsoft Azure and view it online in Microsoft Azure Cloud. This is the schematic diagram of the project. First, creating a control system simulation in Python. So there's no real process implemented or controlled here. It is a simulation, and the filter is also implemented, but it is not necessary in a simulation. But it is highly important and significant to implement a filter in the real if it is being used in real system. So it has been implemented here as well, as it is being pretended that it is the whole system is on a real system, on a real process. So then the system is uploaded in MQTT and SQL database separately. The Python script does it, and then the ASP.NET application has been built in Visual Studio, and that is uploaded in deployed in Microsoft Azure platform, and the data in the SQL and the data that is in the SQL database that is the goal that it can be viewed in the Microsoft Azure in the ASP.NET application. So this is the frequency response and stability analysis. Here the poles are on the left, and here it can be seen that the graph stabilizes here, and here VC is less than V180. These things are these plots are taken from Spider IDE, so it signifies that the system is stabilizing. Now the MQ that uploaded to MQTT, these are snapshots of MQTT and Microsoft SQL, the Microsoft SQL data management studio, it's SQL Server Management Studio, and it can be seen that the data is uploaded in the SQL database. Okay. So PyODBC library is used in the Python script to create connection and upload the data into SQL server, SQL database. So next demonstration of the ASP.NET application while it is online in Microsoft Azure Cloud platform. Here's the going into the Microsoft Azure platform with the link, and then here's the home page, and going to the sensor data tab. The data can be viewed that was created in the Python script. So here the SQL Server Management Studio is connected with the database in Microsoft Azure platform. So yeah. Then cyber security of the system. Everything sent within Azure environment is automatically encrypted. So and then comes the Azure network has an automatic detection to prevent distributed denial of service of DDoS attacks. So DDoS attacks are highly unlikely to take effect. Automated smart traffic monitoring and profiling. It is easier to detect and deflect threats when the systems know when something looks out of the ordinary, reducing the risk any threats posed that may have breached external security systems. Express route enables user to access Azure through an encrypted virtual private network VPN. So it is recommended if someone is traveling or using it outside of a usual private network, then they should use VPN, and Microsoft Azure has Express Route that enables the user to use a virtual private network, a VPN built in Microsoft Azure. Precaution, though anyone is using VPN, it should be public Wi-Fi should be avoided at any case, which is a very good recommendation and highly important. Possible improvements to the system. The system is implemented in a simulation, other control system and process. So it is very much highly recommended that the system is tested in a real system, in a real process. And the login functionality in the web application is highly recommended. It would make it more secure and also make it more interactive. Making the web application more interactive and user friendly. A simple system has been created which serves the purpose of logging in and viewing the no of it serves the purpose of viewing the data in on cloud, but the system can be made more interactive and more user friendly by some graphical interfaces, etc. So these are the references that have been utilized in the project. So this is the end of project presentation. Thank you very much.